So, what is this Iondrops Spa-Style Shower? And is it legit or just another scam? The product is basically a filtered showered head sold on drivese.com that claims to give you spa-like water with better pressure, softer skin, and healthier hair by removing impurities and boosting flow. But real customer feedbacks is all over the place. Some people on Trustpilot say it does install easily and feels nice on skin, but others report never receiving their order, poor customer support, orders placed without consent, and refund headaches, which are big red flags for an online seller. Independent scam checker tools give the similar Ion Drop site very low trust score and warn it's high risk with little transparency about the business behind it, suggesting you should approach with caution. Reviews from users outside the company echo the same mix. Some say the water feels softer, others complain about filmy build quality, extra costs like hoses or filters, and trouble canceling orders or getting help. So while the shower head itself isn't definitively proven to be a complete scam, the marketing is overhyped, service is spotty, and many buyers are unhappy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.